Look closely at this hive entrance. See those sticky brown patches? It's not honey, and it's not a sign of trouble. Sydney honeybees are using more propolis than usual right now. Propolis is a resin collected from local trees and shrubs. In summer, our hot, humid days mean more pests and pathogens threaten the hive's health. Bees use propolis to seal tiny gaps and smooth rough hive surfaces, creating a germ-resistant barrier inside the hive. It's their natural disinfectant, sticky, strong, and powerfully antimicrobial. This behavior ramps up when temperatures rise and humidity spikes because fungal spores and hive beetles thrive in these conditions. If you spot bees carrying dark resin on their legs or see them blocking up small cracks, it's not a mistake, it's smart defense. Propolis can even reduce disease transfer between bees by minimizing exposed surfaces and improving hive hygiene. For Sydney beekeepers, it's a clear sign the colony is responding to summer's increased risks. Regular inspections now focus on checking propolis buildup and ensuring hive ventilation stays strong to keep moisture down. This is what we're seeing here in Sydney at Bee-Croft Honey.